bafethu Cotton Club nowelingelani ngotalent. Namhlanje sivakashele uThika wama-champions, ama-Pantula dancers bafethu. Thika, kabanye kwethu. Awuchazela abalaleli nabalaleli belingelani ngotalent ukuthi ubani Thika?
Firstly, I would like to greet our viewers in Makaya. Thanks a lot for you guys to give me the opportunity to these assists and as art. Because I get promoted to say so I'm one of the people Abasai Kulumana. So thank you guys for this opportunity. Utinkla we data kata kaluka safari sisonke nabo bozini nabo ekdala nabo early 2000s sakala lento lena up until kuze kufike the stage le eseyisona ukuthi ukukhula ke sathatha ama indlela engafani njengamanje ngibiza ngomini ngane ke sesenze into eziningi mangabala kuzona sesihamba amazwe mhlawumbe more than 7 countries ngibale Europe ngibale UK ngibale Asia last year nje December sise Thailand nase Bangkok China. This year again in December siyabuyela futhi eThailand nakhona eBangkok sesiyayisebenzisa this time. So yeah,
get dirty.
Sesithatha sayifaka nase-theatres tshela abantu ukuthi ngeti yaqala.
Yes.
So ukuthi iyona le production yesigijimisa namazwe.
Okay. Thika mfethu sifuna ukuthola la ukuthi ilingelani ngotalent yini ozoyizela nama-guitars. Uzoxhasa ngani ilingelani ngotalent?
Wow, that's nice. That's a very nice question. Because last year ilingelani ngotalent yayikhona ngafika ngaibuka, it was amazing. But last time I didn't contribute. So this time it will be nice for me to also groom because this time that we will really be learning about talent. What I will do, we side the dancers. But we side the dancers. This is what I will do. There is a municipality, art and culture, sisebenza na event esizoyenza. Kulo event kuzobe ama-group azobe-petition ukuze abe yi-art event. So what I will do mina, umuntu one group eyodwa leyo group ngiyithatha ngengi-audition. Izokwenza ama-audition because it will be like isi-audition ile ngomuntu. So ngeke isaba the process ye-audition. Uku-auditionela for the event one the event in ama-workshops for 5 days bazobe begijimiswa mahhala bedla mahhala bese beyaperforma. Lapho-ke kulo-perform kune-top 10. Uma futhi befike baperforma kahle kune-top 10 ezonika imali.
Oh wow.
So leyo group leyo esizoyithola la kulingelani ngotalent sizoyithatha sizoyigruma umuntu yafike yenza kahle la kune-portion imali ezothola. That's what I can offer because ama-auditions abantu kakhulu. But because of ilingelani ngotalent and that's what we can offer. Secondly, ngidinga like more members as a champions. So if ever mukona engibathandile ngidlala ngizoscouta ngibathathe that's what I want.
Siyabonga kakhulu Thika mfethu. I think nami ngisayipantula engangayijabulela le opportunity. Bafowethu uzokwenza ama-audition kuyo into ezebe inabo bonke abantu baka-art and culture ethu bese kushoda kuwena ukuthi uyiveze kanjani ukuze uthole amatomoro. Bafowethu siyabonga kakhulu Thika mfethu, siyabonga kakhulu.
Ngibonga bafowethu. And ngizobe ngikhona iqala iziyophela just to make sure ukuthi ngiyayibona yonke into eyenzakalayo. So I'm very excited for the push.
Sibonga kakhulu sibili la Champions.